Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will solve another quiz which is related to arithmetic expression. The quiz contains the basic operation plus multiplication and division. So we have to solve this quiz using PAMDAS and BODMAS method and find out the correct answer. In the answer list we have 4 answers. A is 0, B is 2, C is 8 and D is 10. So let's see after solving it which answer is correct. So before starting the video, please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn these type of quizzes from my channel. Now, just recall that what are the rules which we can apply to solve any arithmetic expression. And the rule says if your expression contains any bracket or parenthesis, so you have to solve that part first in your expression. After the bracket, you have to see the power of any number. If your expression contains any number which has the power, so you have to solve that part after the bracket. Step number 3 is you have to solve division and multiplication. Both has similar precedence, so you can solve any of them which is coming first. So you have to go left to right in your expression and find out division and multiplication. Similarly, for addition and subtraction, we have same rule. We can solve addition first if it is coming first, and we can solve subtraction first if it is coming first. Now move forward to solve the given expression. According to the BODMAS and PAMDAS rule, first of all, we have to solve the bracket. So, in our expression, we have two brackets. One is this one and other is this one. So, the question is which one we will solve first. So in the bracket, we do not have like this rule. So we have to solve the first division and multiplication, or after that we solve the addition and subtraction. But here we have first bracket. So we have to solve this bracket first, which is 9 plus 1 equals to 10. Multiply by 3 and divided by this bracket 5 multiply by 3. We will write here as it is. And here we have to give the reference 9 plus 1 equals to 10. Now move forward to solve the bracket number 2. So bracket number 2 is this one, which is 5 multiplied by 3. So here we will write 10 multiplied by 3 divided by 5 multiplied by 3 equals to 15. 5 3 is 15. And here we have to give the reference 5 multiplied by 3 equals to 15. Now we have solved both brackets. Now we have to see division and exponent part, but here we do not have any exponent part. So what we will do, we will solve division and multiplication. For this, we have to go left to right in this expression and find out which is coming first. So first we have 10 multiplied by 3. So we will multiply both of them and get the answer is 30. And divided by 15, we will write as it is. And here we will multiply 10 multiplied by 3 equals to 30. So now we have two terms which are dividing like 30 divided by 15. So we will divide both of them and get the answer is 2. So the answer of the given expression is 2. If you see the answer list, so answer B is the correct answer of this expression. I hope you understand like how you can solve the given expression using PAMDAS and BODMAS method and find out the correct answer. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn these type of quizzes from my channel. We will meet in next class. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.